Good morning! Morning guys! Today is Wednesday, so ano ako lately sa coffee. Diba ang sabi ko sa inyo, every Thursday lang ako nagko-coffee. So ngayon, magko-coffee ako. Tagal mo ito dito. Gamitin natin ulit. Guys, so gamitin natin yung 3-in-1 coffee natin. Ano, not 3-in-1, 2-in-1. 2-in-1 coffee. Sugar free. Ayan. So, kaya naglalagay ako ng sugar kasi nga, sugar free to. So, para naman may lasa. Ewan ko ba, nag-start na naman ako. Kasi bumili ako ng ng few pieces. So, inuubos ko lang. Pero next time ang ginagamit ko yung yung ako mismo nagtitimpla. Kasi ito kasi sobrang ito, diba? Hindi siya healthy daw. Ayan guys. Let's go. Let's close the lights. Yung mga mannequin from the exhibition. Coffee guys. Let's have coffee. Guys, ang gamit kong sugar is brown sugar from Dubai Exhibition Center. Meron akong iba dito na brown sugar from Caribou. Talagang kinukuha ko siya pag meron akong excess na sugar kasi nga gusto kong gamitin this brown sugar. Ayoko ng white sugar. So, yep. Masarap siya guys. Malasa in fairness sa coffee na yan. So, ayun guys, for my makeup today, meron naman akong pimples kasi baka may menstruation na naman tayo. Ayan. So, ang foundation na gamit ko today is from Estee Lauder. I really don't know what is the shade, pero ano lang yun, sample lang yun. Gusto ko siya talagang bilhin. Pero every time na pumupunta ako ng Sephora, hindi ko siya binibili kasi nakakakuha ko ng sample. So, yung sample na yun every time yung ginagamit ko. So, maybe next time ulit. So, instead of foundation, ang mga binibili ko yung lipstick, ganyan. Kasi mahilig din ako sa lipstick. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? Mga blush on, ganyan. Tapos, skincare din. Bumibili ako ng skincare sa Sephora. So, anyway, yung gamit kong foundation, yun nga yung sample from Estee Lauder. Di ko alam, di ko matandaan kung anong shade niya. And for my kilay, same thing pa rin yung Rimmel. Meron akong bagong binili sa Beverly Hills. Yung pa rin gamit kong Anastasia. Ano ba yun? Yung pomade. So yun, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi nga hindi ko pa naubos ang aking Rimmel. So Rimmel from Kilay, for the Kilay. And then eyeshadow from Christian Dior. And ano pa ba? Ayun, yung yung blush. Ang ginagamit ko is yung Maybelline. And yung lipstick, yung bagong bili ko sa MAC. Yung anong shade ba nito? Ang shade nga nito, nakalimutan ko na. So, yun lang naman guys. So, hindi ako highlighter, nothing. So, hindi rin ako nag-spray ng setting spray. So, yan lang talaga. Hindi rin ako nag-contour kasi ang aking face is munay na. So, anyway, yun lang. Of course, visible pa rin ang aking hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Okay guys, yun lang. Bye. Good morning guys. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, last day ng... Bakit ganito ang camera ko? Okay, gawa tayo ng coffee. Because actually ngayon ang aking cheat day. So, I have my Ali Cafe Cappuccino. Ang aking coffee. Ano tayo ng water and nugasan ko lang yung cup ko. Parang blurred. Ayan, hindi na siya blurred. Kanina blurred ano? Okay. As I said, we will use a little. Okay. Oh no. Ayan, hindi na siya blurred. Kanina blurred talaga eh. So, ating coffee with this mannequin. And I bring some croissants. So, yeah. Happy Thursday guys. Weekend na for me kasi wala akong pasok tomorrow.
Bakit daw?
Nahulog yung ano niya.
Yung short?
Kwan! Kwan!
Ano? May daro sa gilid.
Kwan!
Isukintigo na dang.
Hala, basaan na yung ano niya no, Joyce.
Nabubuan si ano.
Bakit? Ano bang ginawa mo?
Nakita ko eh, sakto. Apogam mo.
Anak.
Ang galing mo tuloy ang ano niya. Awang nga yun, matakikan.
Praya mo na ako niya.
Ate, sapatos sila ito karong eh. London! Woo! Woo! Binigyan na pa nga eh. Woo!
Saya yan, be. Feeling bagets.
Ano? Sabi ano? Bising nga ano eh.
Bising. Bising nga na erabing. Game.
Ang dami! Ang mas nga! Yung nga nga na nabibig ko, bunga ako lumalaki.
Send ka to kay Papa.
Next time nito.
Nagkadal ka na upuan. Beshi katurog pa kayo. Storbo yan.
Ay, gabalo. Bahay sa likod.
Tetwan! 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 Lube! Lube na tayo? Ayaw na niya.
Okay, let's go.
Yay!
Is the boat. Ako na. Open mo na. Doon yung susi ng
Antoine! Sarap yan. Samosa. Samosa, right? Samosa si Joy. So, nag-aantay kami ng biryani. Thank you.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what if you're stupid and you know? You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how.
And only for dry. I have dry eyes now, so I need to use the drops for 3 months.
Oh, who's your ate? What's the name of your ate? Anak? Oh, and who else? Who is your other ate? Ate who? And who else? Ate? Puro ate fit. The other one. Ate? Ate? Oh, and who's your kuya? Kuya? Oh, bravo.
Good morning, guys. Nagano pala kami, nag-coffee kami ni Joyce dito sa Maisuk. Kami ng time dito sa coffee shop, and then nasa loob siya ng souk. Nag-inquire siya ng driving kasi meron silang promotion. Opening account daw 500, and I think yun, so mura na. Galadari din yata ako nag driving school. So ayun lang, antay ko siya, ang tagal. Diyos ko, gusto ko na mag-toilet. Ano si Joyce? Wait lang, guys. Ito na po siya. Nagbayad ka?
Ha? Abang pa sa mamayang gabi. Explain ko lang muna kay Nita, ha?
Okay. Kala ko nagbayad ka na sila. Ang kasi? Isa lang pala. Ano nila? Hi guys. So, finally, I'm sitting with. And they offered me shampoo.
you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
الخامسة وخمسين دقيقة صباحا ودرجة الحرارة الخارجية 28 درجة مئوية. يرجى إبقاء الأمكنة مضبوطة في انتهاء الصدفة بشارة سرعة أحذية المقاعد.